Want your apple juice to last longer? This simple fridge storage trick makes a big difference. Open store-bought apple juice typically lasts in the fridge for 7 to 10 days. However, for best quality and safety, it is recommended to consume it within 3 to 5 days of opening. Freshly squeezed, homemade apple juice should be consumed much sooner, within 24 to 72 hours, due to lack of preservatives. Here is a breakdown of apple juice shelf life in the fridge. Opened, store-bought, pasteurized, 7 to 10 days. Unopened, plastic/glass bottle, several months to a year, or 1 to 2 weeks if sold in the refrigerated section. Homemade/freshly pressed, 24 hours to 5 days maximum, best within 24 to 72 hours. After expiration date, generally safe to consume 3 to 5 days past the date, but quality will decline. Signs of spoilage: fizzing, the juice is fermenting. Taste/smell, the juice smells or tastes like vinegar. Appearance, the liquid becomes very cloudy or, if unopened, the container bloats. Tips for maximizing life: keep the container sealed tightly, store it in the back of the fridge rather than the door, and consider freezing leftovers in ice cube trays for 4 to 6 months.